Okay, this is just a quick little video tutorial of how you go about solving a momentum problem. These were the momentum problems that I presented in notes, but it's good to review this every now and then. So in problem number 1, it says we have a baseball with a mass of 0.14 kilograms, and it's moving at 35 millimeters or meters per second. What is its momentum? So as with all problems, we have to start out with our equation. So we have momentum, which is P, is equal to the mass of the object times its velocity. Mass has to be measured in kilograms, which it is in the problem, so that's 0.14 kilograms times the velocity, which is 35 meters per second. And when we run the numbers through the calculator, we come up with 4.9. And our units for momentum, there's no special unit like we would in force with newtons, so it's just going to be kilogram times meter per second. And that's how you'd report it, 4.9 kilograms times meter per second. In this problem here, it says we have a bowling ball with a mass of 7.36 kilograms with a momentum of 257.6 kilograms times meter per second. What would be its velocity? So in this one, the velocity equation is going to be equal to the momentum divided by the mass. Here we have momentum is 257.6 kilograms times meter per second divided by the mass of 7.36, that's a 6 there, kilograms. Unit-wise, the kilograms will actually divide away. Oops, lost my kilogram there. It's a kilogram, and that one divides away. So what that leaves me with then is going to be an answer in meters per second, which is a measure of velocity. Now I just need to run the numbers through my calculator. So when I divide it out, I get 35 meters per second. Okay, in problem number 3, it says we have a bowling ball that's moving at 20 meters per second with a momentum of 147.2 kilograms times meter per second. What would be the mass here of the object? So we have mass. So the equation is mass is equal to momentum divided by velocity. The momentum would be 147.2 kilograms times meter per second. You have all of those. And the velocity was 20 meters per second. Now what we'll divide away is the meters per second units, leaving me with an answer. I know it's going to come out in kilograms, which is a measure of mass. So when I run the numbers through the calculator, 147.2 divided by 20, I get 7.36 kilograms. That's my answer. So again, these are just reviews of how you work a momentum problem, which after doing forces, this should be pretty easy.